Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both the interior and exterior major talking points and features. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, and once we're there, of course we will go through the interior features in a bit more depth. The vehicle itself is the 420D M Sport GRAN COUPE, and alongside it being presented in the very nice Alpine white, we have of course also fitted the For Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. We've also added the 795 Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres, and set against the Alpine white are an extremely eye-catching and striking alloy wheel, and they certainly look the part and are currently our most popular and sought after alloy wheel here at Your Next Car. Being a 2017 plate, as you can see there at the front, you will also see it's got the facelift, along with facelift headlights, tail lights, and a few other tweaks which I will mention as we go around the car. You'll see it's got the gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars, and the satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. The vehicle also has the sun protection glazing option, as you can see there on the rear windows. And we'll go ahead now and take a quick glance at the interior, which on this vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which comes with both the heated and the electric lumbar options, as you can see there. And of course the rest of the interior we'll get to in a bit more detail very shortly. Moving on to have a look at the rear seats, where you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining, which is all in very nice condition to match the rest of the general overall condition of this lovely car. Again, being all brand new, the alloy wheels are all unmarked and look incredible set against this vehicle. At the rear of this vehicle, we've got the high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser, and of course those facelifted rear lights which sit on the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals the exceedingly large boot space. And again, this can be made even larger owing to the fact that you do have the split folding rear seat option, and as well as the nicely presented genuine floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle as well. Moving around to the other side of the car, where again we'll get a chance to have a look at how nicely presented this 4 Series is. And as you can see, a very nice colour pairing between the two of the Alpine white and of course our styling performance pack. Moving on inside the vehicle, because we've got yet more special features and a few things to of course show yourselves. Now I'm sat down very comfortable in the Dakota leather seats. First thing to strike you is the professional wide navigation and media screen, which is currently just set on the DAB screen. However, there is a wide array of multimedia inputs, including CD, DVD, USB, and of course the Bluetooth audio function as well. Another nice feature of course is the satellite navigation, which is a very user-friendly system on the BMWs, along with having real-time traffic updates to keep you going in the fastest route possible. The Bluetooth is of course not only for Bluetooth audio, you also have Bluetooth telephone as well. And if we head back to the main menu, you can see it being as part of the facelift, we've also got the facelifted iDrive software, which segregates everything into nice little sub-menus, making things that little bit easier to navigate. I'll go ahead and start the car up and we can explore just a couple more things before stepping back outside the car. Dual climate control, and this is also where you'll find the switches for the heated seats, as well as having that very nice 2-litre diesel up front. You'll also have the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and you'll notice that by having the flappy pedals situated just behind the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. The cruise control, the speed limiter function, voice and volume controls all situated on there as well. This vehicle has covered just over 30,000 miles, again as you can see on screen, so we're bringing you another very low mileage, very tidy vehicle here at Your Next Car. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Of course, if you do have any questions or comments, do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information and links to our website down below in the description. But most of all, we do hope to see yourselves very, very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.